There is a moment that almost every man experiences, a moment where a woman tests him, not always with words. Sometimes it's a look, sometimes it's a challenge, sometimes it's silence, and most men fail this moment instantly. They talk too much, they explain themselves, they try to impress, they try to win approval. And the strange thing is, the harder they try, the less respect they get. But there is a move, a silent move, a psychological move that flips the entire dynamic, a move so powerful that most women are completely unprepared for it. Not because it's aggressive, not because it's manipulative, but because it shows something most men don't have: true internal power. Today we're going to talk about the silent power move women never expect from men, and why the moment you master this, everything about how people treat you begins to change. But first, you need to understand something about modern social dynamics, because most men have been trained to behave in a way that quietly destroys their power, the hidden trap most men fall into. From the time men are young, they're told something that sounds good, but secretly works against them. They're told, be nice, be understanding, always communicate your feelings, always explain yourself. Now don't misunderstand this. Communication is important, but here's the problem. Many men have been conditioned to believe they must constantly justify their existence. They feel they must prove they are good enough. So when a woman questions them, they rush to defend themselves. When she pulls away, they chase. When she tests them, they overreact. And the moment a man begins chasing approval, he loses something invisible: psychological leverage. The truth is, respect does not come from chasing validation. Respect comes from something much quieter, something far more powerful: emotional self-control. And this leads us to the silent move, the silent power move. The move is simple, but extremely rare. When a woman tests you, when she challenges you, when she pulls away emotionally, you don't react. Not out of anger, not out of insecurity. You simply remain grounded, calm, centered. You don't rush to explain yourself. You don't try to convince her. You don't try to force her attention. You stay focused on your life, your mission, your direction. And the moment you do this, something interesting happens. The dynamic flips, because most women expect a very specific reaction from men. They expect pursuit. They expect emotional chasing. They expect pressure. And when that reaction doesn't come, curiosity begins. Because silence from a weak man feels like rejection, but silence from a confident man feels like mystery. Why silence is so powerful. Think about this for a moment. In social dynamics, the person who reacts the most usually has the least power. The one who stays calm controls the frame. This is true in business. It's true in negotiation. And it's absolutely true in attraction. When a man constantly reacts emotionally, he reveals something without realizing it: dependence. He shows that his emotional state depends on her response. And once that happens, respect slowly disappears. But when a man remains calm, he sends a completely different signal. He communicates something deeper. He shows that his life is already full. His purpose already exists. His confidence is not built on someone else's approval. And that energy is rare, extremely rare, because modern society trains men to constantly seek validation. Social media, dating apps, attention economy, everything pushes men to compete for approval. But the men who quietly step outside that system become magnetic, not because they try to be, but because they don't need to be. The story most men recognize. Let me tell you a story. A man meets a woman he's attracted to. At first, everything feels natural. They talk, they laugh. The energy feels easy, but then something happens. She becomes slightly distant. Maybe she replies slower. Maybe she cancels a plan. Maybe she becomes less emotionally invested, and the average man panics. He double texts. He asks what's wrong. He tries harder. He invests more energy, but every time he does this, the attraction fades further. Why? Because attraction is deeply connected to emotional independence. When a man begins chasing reassurance, he unconsciously communicates fear of losing her. And fear destroys the perception of strength. But the silent power move looks very different. When distance appears, the man does not panic. He doesn't force connection. He simply continues living his life. He keeps building, working, training, growing. He doesn't withdraw emotionally out of bitterness. He simply refuses to abandon his direction, and that calm confidence creates something unexpected: respect. Because when someone realizes they cannot easily control your emotional state, they begin to see you differently. The psychology behind female testing. Here's something many men misunderstand. Not every challenge from a woman is negative. Many times, it's subconscious. Human beings naturally test the strength of the people around them. We do it in friendships. We do it in leadership. We do it in relationships. Women especially tend to test emotional stability, not with direct confrontation, but with subtle shifts in behavior. They might tease you. They might question your decisions. They might withdraw attention. And most men misinterpret these moments. They see them as problems, but often they're actually opportunities. Opportunities to demonstrate something far more attractive than words. Emotional control. When a man remains calm under pressure, it signals something ancient, something primal. It shows that he is not easily shaken. And stability has always been one of the most powerful masculine traits. But there's another layer to this, a deeper reason why the silent move works so well. And it has to do with something psychologists call scarcity of attention. Attention is the most valuable currency. In today's world, attention is everywhere. Everyone is trying to be seen. Everyone is trying to be liked. Everyone is trying to prove something. But because of this, attention has become cheap. What's rare is restraint. What's rare is a man who doesn't constantly chase validation. When you don't flood someone with attention, your presence becomes more meaningful. Your words carry more weight. Your silence becomes noticeable. And suddenly, people start leaning in, trying to understand you, trying to gain your attention. This is the silent shift that happens when a man becomes emotionally self-contained. He stops performing for approval and starts living with purpose. The moment everything changes. There is a moment every man experiences when he truly understands this concept. It's the moment he stops chasing outcomes and starts focusing on growth. When that happens, women notice something different. Not arrogance, not ego, but calm confidence. The kind of confidence that doesn't need to announce itself. And strangely enough, this is when attraction often appears naturally. Because the man who doesn't desperately seek attention feels rare. He feels grounded. And in a world full of noise, that calm presence becomes incredibly powerful. But here's the important part. The silent power move is not a trick. It's not a strategy to manipulate people. It's a mindset shift, a life shift. Because the real goal isn't to control women. The real goal is to control yourself, your reactions, your emotions, your direction. And when a man reaches that level of internal discipline, everything changes. But there's a deeper level to this power, a level most men never reach. In the next part, we're going to talk about something even more dangerous to the average man's mindset. The moment when a man realizes he doesn't actually need validation from anyone, and why that realization creates a level of confidence that completely transforms how women see him. Part 2. The Detachment Principle. There comes a moment in every man's life when he realizes something most people never understand. Attraction, respect, influence. None of these things come from trying to control others. They come from controlling yourself. And the moment a man understands this, he begins to develop something extremely rare: detachment. Now, many people misunderstand this word. Detachment does not mean you stop caring. It doesn't mean you become cold. It doesn't mean you treat people poorly. Detachment simply means this: your happiness, your direction, and your emotional stability are not dependent on another person's approval. And this is where the silent power move truly begins. Because when a man becomes emotionally independent, he becomes extremely difficult to manipulate. Think about how most relationships start today. One person constantly worries about losing the other. They overanalyze messages. They check social media. They wait anxiously for replies. Their mood rises and falls based on another person's attention. But the man who understands detachment lives differently. He enjoys connection, but he does not need it to function. He values a woman, but he does not build his identity around her approval. And this creates a completely different psychological dynamic. Because when someone realizes they cannot control your emotions, they start respecting your presence. Why detachment feels mysterious? Human psychology is strange. We tend to chase what feels slightly out of reach. Not impossible, but not easily controlled. This is why confidence is attractive. And this is also why emotional dependence kills attraction. Because when someone knows they fully control your emotional state, there is no mystery, no challenge, no intrigue. But when a man is calm, focused, and slightly detached, his energy feels different, not distant, just centered. He listens. He speaks calmly. He doesn't react emotionally to every little shift. And that grounded presence sends a message without words. It says, "My life already has direction. I'm not here begging for attention. I choose who gets access to my time." And in a world full of emotional chaos, that kind of stability becomes magnetic. The man who stops chasing. At some point, every man must make a decision. He must decide whether he wants to spend his life chasing attention or building something meaningful. Because here's the truth most people never say out loud. Men who constantly chase validation often stay stuck. They spend energy trying to impress people, trying to be liked, trying to be accepted. But the men who step away from that cycle start investing their energy somewhere else. Their mission, their health, their skills, their discipline. And over time, something incredible happens. Their confidence becomes real, not performative, not fake. Real confidence is quiet. It doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't try to dominate conversations. It simply exists. Part 3. The psychology of respect. Let's talk about something deeper, because attraction can be temporary, but respect changes how people treat you long-term. And respect comes from something very specific. Boundaries. A man who has no boundaries will always struggle to earn respect, because when someone sees that you tolerate everything, they subconsciously lower your value. Not intentionally, just naturally. But the silent power move creates invisible boundaries, not through confrontation, but through behavior. For example, when someone disrespects you, the average man argues. He tries to win the conversation. He explains why he deserves respect. But the man with silent power reacts differently. He simply removes his attention. He withdraws his presence because attention is valuable, and people quickly notice when they lose access to it. This doesn't mean ghosting people out of immaturity. It means calmly deciding where your energy belongs. When a man does this consistently, something fascinating happens. People start adjusting their behavior around him because they sense something. This man cannot be easily manipulated. He cannot be guilt-tripped. He cannot be pressured into approval-seeking. And once that perception forms, respect grows naturally. Emotional control is power. Imagine two different men in the same situation. A woman criticizes them publicly. The first man becomes defensive. His voice rises. His body language changes. He tries to prove he's right, but the second man stays calm. He listens. He smiles slightly, and he simply says, "Interesting perspective." Then he changes the subject. Which man appears stronger? Which man looks more confident? The answer is obvious, because emotional control signals something powerful. It signals that a man is not easily shaken, and people instinctively respect individuals who maintain composure under pressure. This is why leaders train themselves to stay calm during chaos, because panic spreads quickly, but calmness spreads faster. And when a man becomes emotionally grounded, his presence changes the atmosphere around him. The quiet confidence effect. Confidence is often misunderstood. Many people think confidence means being loud, dominant, aggressive, but real confidence is actually much quieter. It shows up in small behaviors. The way a man speaks slowly instead of rushing. The way he listens without interrupting. The way he holds eye contact without tension. The way he walks into a room without trying to impress anyone. This kind of confidence cannot be faked for long, because it comes from something deeper, self-respect. A man who respects himself does not need constant reassurance. He already knows his direction. And because of that, his behavior feels natural, effortless, authentic. And authenticity is one of the most powerful signals of confidence. Part 4, becoming the man who can't be controlled. Now we arrive at the final piece. The silent power move isn't about women. It's about becoming a man who controls his own life. Because once you master that, everything else begins to shift naturally. The man who cannot be controlled has certain habits. He protects his time. He chooses his circle carefully. He invests in growth instead of drama. He focuses on building strength mentally, physically, financially, and most importantly, he refuses to sacrifice his mission for temporary approval. This doesn't make him arrogant. It makes him focused, and focus is rare. Most people drift through life reacting to everything. But disciplined men move differently. They choose where their energy goes. They choose who deserves access to them, and because of that, their presence carries weight. The world reacts differently to focused men. When a man becomes truly focused, people start noticing. Friends respect him more. Opportunities appear. Women sense the difference in his energy, because he no longer behaves like someone trying to prove his worth. He behaves like someone who already knows it. And the moment that shift happens, the silent power move becomes natural. He doesn't need to force detachment, he simply has priorities. He doesn't need to pretend confidence. His life gives him confidence. And this is where the real transformation begins. Because the goal was never just attraction. The goal was self-mastery, the final truth. Here is the truth most men eventually learn. You cannot control how others behave. You cannot force attraction. You cannot force respect. But you can control something far more powerful. Your standards, your discipline, your reactions. And when a man masters those three things, he becomes extremely difficult to manipulate. People begin to treat him differently. Not because he demanded it, but because his behavior quietly commands respect, and this is the silent power move most people never expect. Final message, so if you're watching this right now, remember this: stop chasing approval. Stop explaining your worth to people who haven't earned your energy. Build your life, build your discipline, build your purpose, and when you do that, respect, attraction, and influence begin to appear naturally. Not because you chase them, but because you became the kind of man they follow. Writing, if you enjoyed this video and you want more deep psychological insights about masculinity, confidence, and power dynamics, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and remember, the strongest men in the room are usually the quietest, because real power doesn't shout, it moves in silence.